Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between cash flow statement and income statement. Both are important financial statements used in accounting and business management, but they serve different purposes and provide different types of information about a company's financial condition. Let's understand these differences one by one. Number 1. Cash flow statement shows the actual inflow and outflow of cash in a business, whereas income statement shows revenues and expenses whether cash is received or not. Number 2. Cash flow statement is prepared on a cash basis, whereas income statement is prepared on an accrual basis. Number 3. Cash flow statement focuses on liquidity and cash movement, whereas income statement focuses on profitability and financial performance. Number 4. Cash flow statement records cash and cash equivalent transactions, whereas income statement records incomes, expenses, gains, and losses. Number 5. Cash flow statement explains how cash moved during a specific period, whereas income statement explains how much profit or loss was earned during that period. Number 6. Cash flow statement reports cash receipts and payments, whereas income statement reports revenues earned and expenses incurred. Number 7. Cash flow statement does not include non-cash adjustments directly, whereas income statement includes non-cash items like depreciation and amortization. Number 8. Depreciation is not treated as a cash outflow in the cash flow statement, whereas depreciation expense is recorded in the income statement. Number 9. Cash flow statement does not directly measure profitability, whereas income statement directly shows net profit or net loss. Number 10. Cash flow statement is divided into operating, investing, and financing activities, whereas income statement is divided into revenues, expenses, and net income sections. Number 11. Cash flow statement provides information about liquidity and solvency, whereas income statement provides information about profitability and operational performance. Number 12. Cash flow statement helps determine the ability to pay debts and obligations, whereas income statement helps determine the ability to generate profit. Number 13. Cash flow statement is mainly useful for creditors, investors, and analysts to assess cash position, whereas income statement is useful for investors, management, and stakeholders to assess business performance. Number 14. Examples in the cash flow statement include cash from sales, loan receipts, and asset purchases, whereas examples in the income statement include sales revenue, salary expense, and interest expense. Number 15. The bottom line of the cash flow statement shows net cash inflow or outflow, whereas the bottom line of the income statement shows net profit or net loss. So, these were the major differences between cash flow statement and income statement. Both statements are equally important because one explains cash position while the other explains profitability and business performance. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.